Hi, I'm Emily Jane of Emily Jane's Healing Energetics, and today is day 25 of my vlogging journey, and it is the 27th of June 2016, and this is my girly Buddha, as I call her, and lovely in pink with a very, very beautiful, lovely little bird that I was given. And it was actually painted by a dear friend of mine who actually shares my birthday, and she owns a gorgeous shop called Little Gems at Little Common. And this was the first Buddha that she painted, and I just couldn't resist it because it's my favourite colour. As you can see, I'm matching my Buddha today. So, as I'm sitting next to my Buddha, I thought I'd give some tips on meditation. Most of us, when we start meditating, find it really, really difficult to get our mind out of the way. It's so busy. And it keeps going, hello, I'm here. We don't want to be doing meditating. So, tip number 1, find a very quiet place and lie down. Before lying down, you need to take with you 3 crystals. 2 to hold in your hands, 1 in your left hand and 1 in your right hand. And then the third one needs to be a lovely amethyst, a paler amethyst, like a lilac-coloured amethyst or violet would be absolutely perfect. And this is to be placed on your third eye. Your third eye is here. And the reason why you place it there is it takes the mind out of the way. An amethyst is a very, very high vibration stone, and particularly the lavender or violet or lilac coloured amethysts, because they are of the higher vibrational frequency. And thus it actually just quietens the mind and allows you to come into a sense of peace. In terms of the crystals to be held in your left and right hands, if you have crystals in your house, just really tune in and ask your inner voice, which ones are we drawn to? And then take those and just lie. Make sure you're covered over gently so that you're not going to get cold. And perhaps have some nice gentle music on. I personally prefer to now do my meditating in silence, and I concentrate on my breath. So you concentrate on your breath, you do a so, hum, so, hum. So on the in-breath it's so, hum, on the out-breath. And just bring your attention to that and see your mind get out the way. And from time to time, I expect that your mind will want to get busy and will want to poke its nose in. So just gently do a little smile inwardly and perhaps feel it extending to your lips as you smile with compassion and sweetness towards your mind, as if to say, it's okay, I know you're there and you can quieten yourself. So that is my little tip on the first stages of meditation. Blessings to you. Speak to you tomorrow. Bye.